Howdy, partner. Does your toilet seat do that? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today how to put on a quiet close and replace this one that my 3 kids have worn out pretty good. So let's get started on making this just like new. The first step is going to figure out if your toilet is currently elongated or round. I don't know why anybody would get a round toilet, but this is obviously elongated, so you go out and buy a new one. Now this toilet seat is an American Standard Mighty Tuff that's supposed to be really strong, supposed to take flexing and abuse from the kids. So excited to check this out and get installed. This will take no more than a couple minutes, and you shouldn't need anything other than 1 screwdriver. Let's get started. The first step is going to be you go to the back of the toilet seat, and you should be able to pry these open to expose the screws. Once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and start unscrewing it with either a flathead or a Phillips screwdriver. You've got a little nut under here, so you're going to take that off while you're unscrewing from the top, and in no time, that'll come all the way off. There we go. Once you pulled off both those nuts, the old seat will come right off. So now we're ready to get the new one installed. So you go ahead and test the new seat. Make sure it fits well, which it should. It's pretty standard on the elongated or round. And then they're all a little different, but basically you're going to pry up that cap like you did on the old one, and you're going to expose these holes that you then want to put over your mounting holes, and you can move them forward or backward a little bit depending to get it perfectly centered. Once you think you're in a pretty good spot, you can put on these rubber grommets that come with the kit, and they help it to not skid around at all. So we put those on, then we get it back. Now this screw and nut that comes with this kit is pretty cool. I will go ahead and link this in the description so you can check it out, but if you want to come real close, you'll see that this can push up real fast, but then when you push this down to lock it, then you can't go back or forth. So it makes it super easy to install, and it's plastic so you don't damage your toilet. So all you're going to do is you're going to open that cap up like that, you're going to put it underneath, and then you're going to push that through, and then you can go ahead, close that, and start to hand tighten. Then we'll come back in with the screwdriver in a second. So let's do the other side. Push that up. Once you got both these screws in, then you can kind of center this, which allows you to push it forward or backwards before it's fully tight. You're going to check around the edges, make sure you got it just where you want it. And then we're just going to gently tighten these down. You may need to hold the bottom, but you don't need to over tighten it or strip the plastic. Another neat feature of this toilet seat is for easy cleaning, you can actually slide it out. Clean the whole thing, and then slide it back in. All you do is you snap these caps down, it's all installed. So let's give it the test. There we go. That's a soft, quiet close. Hope this video was helpful. This is a very easy project you can do to kind of spruce up an old toilet and make it look like new again, and also keep from having those loud noises if your kids have kind of destroyed your toilet seat. So super affordable upgrade. Again, we'll link it in the product description. We have a lot of videos on this channel that do tackle bathroom projects and simple home repairs and simple fixes for household glitches, all sorts of things out there. And if you want to check out more, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great home how-to tips and tricks. Well, all these projects, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.